We want to find the unknown angles in the diagrams below. We're told that ABCD is a parallelogram, which means that these sides are parallel and these sides are parallel. So if we look at this part of the diagram here, we've got a C shape, so we have co-interior angles, which means that this angle and the 61 add to 180, meaning that this angle must be 119 degrees. We can apply the same rule to get this angle here, and so this one must be 61, and then finally apply the same rule again, or the fact that the three angles add to 360 to get that this one is 119. So moving over to this diagram, we can see in this diagram that I've got a Z shape there with the parallel lines, which tells me that this angle here, angle C, is 27 degrees. That's the alternate angles. Now, these three angles being on a straight line must add to 180. And so, if we do 180, take away the 120 and the 27, that tells us that this angle here is 33 degrees. The three angles of the triangle must add to 180. So I've got 180, take away the other two angles in the triangle, the 27 and the 33, gives us that this is 120. We could have also got that using the parallel lines and the Z there.